The Edmonton and Area Land Trust, or EALT, is a charity dedicated to conserving land in the Edmonton region. The organization was formed in 2007 in response to concerns about important natural areas being lost as the city expands. EALT works to ensure that ecologically significant lands are protected in perpetuity. There are two ways that we secure land. First is by donation. Landowners will donate pieces of land that they would like to see protected into the future. The other is a conservation easement. This is a legal notation on the title of the land that restricts the way the land can be used in the future, and is something that the landowner and EALT agree upon together. Both of these options mean that the land is protected for people and wildlife forever. But why do we focus on saving land? Why not focus on saving something cool, like bees, or butterflies, or moose? Because habitat loss is the #1 reason for species decline. Wildlife depend on land to survive, so by saving land, we are helping species to thrive. Another reason we protect land is because the land offers a place for people to get out and enjoy nature. We have thousands of acres of land in the Edmonton region ready for you to explore all year round. Many of our lands have beautiful trail systems where you can go for a walk, try out geocaching, and even take out your snowshoes in the winter months.
Our vision is that the capital region will have natural areas that are habitats, so homes for wildlife, but also places where people can go out and enjoy nature and connect with the outdoors.
How do we take care of these natural areas? It is our responsibility to steward the lands donated to us. This involves doing an initial assessment and then monitoring changes to the land over time. This helps us to determine the priorities for the land and manage it accordingly. Our dedicated volunteers help us to implement these management strategies, including invasive plant removal, fence removal, trail maintenance, bird and bat box installations, wildlife tracking, and more. Another important part of our work is environmental education and partnerships. We reach out to Edmontonians to teach them more about nature conservation through hosting information booths, giving presentations, and attending special events. In addition, our signature Protecting Pollinators program offers Edmonton and area residents the chance to conserve nature in their own backyard by building their own nesting structure for solitary bees. Conservation is a community effort, so we also partner with other conservation organizations, local businesses, and community groups to fund and deliver our conservation and outreach work. For more information about us, our programs, our conservation lands, and more, visit www.ealt.ca or contact us today. Edmonton and Area Land Trust, protecting our land, preserving our legacy.